Hello everyone, welcome back to Higher Education Center Batrula Overseas. Well, this interview is about how having a correct information at correct age and taking a correct step at correct time is going to change your entire career and entire future. It will save up your time, your effort, but also give you an exclusive opportunity to be a great influence in your career. Whatever field you choose, be it MBBS, be it engineering or any course, the only key is taking the correct steps, taking the correct actions at the correct time. And this story is about Preetham. This interview is about Preetham. He is a very young mind who decided to be a doctor at a very young age after seeing some circumstances at his own home. But didn't have the clear plan because of course NEET cutoffs are too high, competition is high. Will he be wasting his year preparing for the NEET, or what is the next option? What is the correct possible opportunities available worldwide? So his father himself contacted us when he was in 11th standard when he got a bit idea about Schengen MBBS. He contacted us, had more information about this. Now currently Preetham is in Hungary University of Pécs, which is the third oldest university in the world and the first oldest university in the Hungary. Also, this university has great values, and of course after studying from this university, Preetham is going to have a global medical career as his medical license will be valid in 30 plus countries along with UK, which means no PLAB exam for practicing as a doctor in UK. That's amazing, right? Also, he has a global career. He does not need to worry about the PG options as the PG seats are even higher in these Schengen countries. So all these things are sorted for his life. He has not wasted even a single year. He got enrolled with us when he was in 11th standard, going to be in 12th, and as soon as he completed his 12th, he is in the University of Pécs and studying medicine without wasting any year.
So, hello everyone, and welcome back to Higher Education Center. Today we are having a very quick interview with Mr. Preetham, who has just secured his admission at University of Pécs. Hi Preetham, first of all, congratulations on getting into such prestigious universities. Can you share with
Thank
us
you. Thank you.
how are you feeling about this big achievement?
Being a doctor was a dream for me. So it's like getting into these kind of public colleges and like with these higher rankings and like everything about it is prestigious. More like a dream come true for me, more than an achievement.
Could you please just tell a little about yourself, your background, where you come from, and when you actually decided that you want to study medicine? Because you say that you
Well,
always wanted to be a doctor. Yeah.
yes. And I come from Kharagpur. It's a
Okay.
small town in West Bengal. Ever since I was like in class 8 maybe, I can say that at that point of time I knew that I wanted to be a doctor because like in my family there were like my grandfather, my grandmother, they were all on medicines. Like they regularly used to visit the hospital. So I had like this knack of knowing what
Okay.
is going on with them, what is like their prescriptions. I used to read their prescriptions and give them their medicines and used to ask a lot of questions about what is happening with them.
So you basically had a lot of exposure with this medicines.
I also visited hospitals. It as a young kid, it's not that good to visit a hospital, like seeing the people in distress. But as you grow up, you need to understand that's a very important part of like everyone's life. So I wanted to
Lovely,
be
lovely.
someone that can be there for others.
So, since you come from a place, Kharagpur, which is, as you said, and we all know is famous for IIT, and
Yeah.
we can claim it to be one of India's educational hub. How do you first come to know about us?
Actually, it was like during my NEET, I selected y'all. It was my dad who trusted you people, and it really paid off honestly. After talking to the sir who like helped me throughout the process, I really trusted him in everything. Every kind of doubt, I went to him. He solved it, and now I am here where I am ready to go to Hungary tomorrow.
That you kind of got registered with us when you were in your plus two only, like you were in your
In
intermediate.
11, 12, yeah.
We see this culture in India wherein there is so much rat race going around. Every second person who's into medicine must have gone through drop years and gap years to secure admission in a good university. And you going to a university which is actually better ranked than AIMS.
You said like it's a rat race, everyone is running in it. So yeah, I wanted to be a doctor. I never wanted to be a part of that rat race. Always wanted to be a doctor.
Correct. A person who's having this zeal that I want to become a doctor as early as possible, that is when early applications and early awareness comes to role. Since you were in your 11th and 12th only, and you got this awareness, your dad got this awareness, you guys had this conversation, and you got yourself registered. So, how important do you think that early application is?
It's really important to do it as soon as possible because, as you know, like Billionaire starts its interviews and examinations from January, and
correct.
Hungary starts it from March. As I can say that my performance in my plus two were not that great. Like I used to study for NEET like every day. I never got off touch with my studies. Know that I wanted to be a doctor too, and as I came nearer to my NEET, I understood that I wanted to be a doctor more than I wanted to clear NEET. It was a backup as first, but after like I came to the realization that it's just not a backup, it's like way bigger than what I was expecting.
Correct. PEX is, I think it is dream for a lot of students because
Yeah.
it is the best university of Hungary and world's third oldest university. So that is huge.
that is like a major thing. Like it was built in 1367, so I think
Correct.
that's a big deal.
That is a huge achievement, and your journey is actually going to motivate a lot of students who want to be a doctor and who will understand that how early awareness is actually very important, and it will
Yeah.
definitely help you secure admissions.
Yeah. In this journey where we start off from early, you always need to be researching, constantly researching
Correct.
about stuff.
Yes.
So yeah, the research really helps. Even if you don't even if it does not help you like at that point of time, but still after some point, like when I gave my visa interviews, I had so much knowledge about University of PEX. I had so much knowledge about the subject I was gonna study because I started off early.
As you mentioned right now, Ritman, that you visited for your visa.
That
Despite
everyone
this
has to do.
Yeah, of course, that is mandatory. So, do you think that higher education center actually helped you in the right way? And did you ever feel any difficulty or hesitation? And how was the overall experience for you?
It helped me for good only because see, like starting off early, you don't know what to do. Like even there is this kind of procrastination in me because like a lot was going on. My 11th was going on, like
Correct.
11th 12th was going on. I had to study for NEET also. I had to study for these interviews and these exams. A really big help from y'all really helped me.
That is what we think, because for a student to travel every second day to any company and have this conversation, when are they going to actually sit and study and prepare? So that is when we actually decided that just let students study and we will take the responsibility of every documentation. Your job is just to study and everything rest will be taken care by us.
And even if you research online, you will see that there are like many rejections regarding visa and your
Correct.
applications.
Yes.
And even that could be very hectic. Even if we went through all of the processes on our own, there is that no like guarantee that it will go through. It was a student visa. I never knew what to say. I saw so many Schengen visas were getting cancelled, and
Yes, it
people
happens.
think getting a visa is easy, but visa is also tough. Getting a visa is also tough. To the point, you need everything.
I hope you got the right assistance from Higher
Yeah.
Education Center.
I
throughout.
got.
Since you are also a student, so what advice you would want to give to other students in India who are actually thinking on applying for abroad for medicine?
Well, honestly, for me, it's just study every day. Study like go understand those topics. What you are studying, understanding those topics are really important because if you don't understand those topics, you will be in trouble everywhere, regardless it's India or anywhere in the world.
Hard work is definitely the key for everything, right?
Yeah,
That is what I said. In India, we see students just running behind and actually just forgetting what is the sole purpose,
Yeah.
why you are studying. Always find that one purpose, that one zeal you want to work towards, and then take the next step. You're going to University of PEX, which is of course the best university. So how do you feel this step, that is studying at the University of PEX, is going to shape your career and your future?
I wanted to be a doctor, so there is no deviating for that. But it will help me in understanding what I really want, like what kind of doctor I will become. Getting into a European uni, you need to understand that you will get so much exposure regarding the global health and medicine. It will be a really fun experience for me, honestly, because I am already so excited before even going there. I know that I'm going to get exposed to so many things just
Yes,
by
yes.
just by seeing and reading online.
Correct. This particular university is actually going to revolutionize your whole career, and it's definitely going to give you an amazing future.
I believe that too.
Yeah. Rhythm, looking back, do you feel confident that you made the right decision?
I knew that if I took a drop year this year, I will. I think I would do much better than this year, but still, it doesn't guarantee a spot because
Correct.
I feel like it's a controversial thing, but me being general also doesn't help me a lot.
Correct.
But still, I think so. Then next year, if I took a drop, I think still it would help me. But I don't really think. I think a year really affects a human and shapes their
Correct.
life. What is the guarantee that I will get into a college next year? And if I don't
Yeah.
get into a college or even a lower college, like then I will just start goofing around. I won't even like be a
Correct.
proper doctor. I always wanted to be a doctor that can help people. I wanted to be a
Yes.
very skilled doctor. So yeah,
Yes,
I really feel confident about my decision going abroad.
the right environment is actually going to shape your whole career. I think nothing better than University of Pex could actually give you that exposure and that right environment.
Yeah, and
Okay.
I believe that the diversity in University of Pex is like I've never seen this kind of diversity, because as I was checking out the platform they gave me, which Unibuddy, in which I could see that like the other students from my batch.
So everyone, hope you guys have got an idea about Preetham's journey through this video. So instead of Preetham, you could also be there if you take a correct decision at correct time, because this is your moment, this is your chance to make big in your career. So we at Higher Education Center Batrola Overseas more than happy to help you in achieving your dream, be it any course, be it you want to be a doctor, engineer, or any other career opportunities. We are there to help you.
Contact Higher Education Center and study at the best universities of the world to become the best version of yourself.